Canada has recorded its highest ever temperature as America's northwest swelters in a dangerous heat wave.
You can't breathe, it's so hot, at least for me.
Definitely have to wear shoes.
Yeah, the pavement, even grass,
really
you're
hot.
just like, whoop, no thank you. Go back inside.
Well, they've never known a summer heat wave quite like this one. Across a vast swathe of North America and Canada, temperatures are breaking all records. I'll just give you one measure among many. Lytton in British Columbia. It soared to 47.5 degrees Celsius. That's 117 degrees Fahrenheit. And that breaks an 84-year-old record. What makes it all the more remarkable is that it is still early summer. And it's the result of what is called a heat dome, a huge band of high pressure which has settled across the region. Mark Nobel has this.
Canadians escaping the heat wherever they can. Temperatures firing up to around 20 degrees hotter than normal.
This is unseasonably warm. We'll take it though. You know, sometimes we get snow in June, so we'll take the sun as we can get it.
Cooling down has almost become an act of survival. There's extra drinking water for school children. British Columbia's power providers report a surge in demand for electricity to keep air conditioners running.
We do have air conditioning in our house and our car. And if we have to buy groceries, they open at 7 in the morning because of COVID for seniors. It's affecting call-out times for the ambulances. I heard on the radio this morning that it's like a 2-hour delay to get an ambulance out because they can't fill the ambulances with the staffing they need because they're all so burned out from COVID.
Causing all this is a massive ridge of high pressure in the sky, a contained pool of air hanging over the area like a lid on a pot.
Basically, no weather systems can move in, so we don't get any relief with thunderstorms or showers, and all we get is just pure blue skies and sunshine, and this is very dangerous.
Records have also been shattered in Seattle, in the US state of Washington.
This is ridiculous. I feel like I'm in the desert or something.
You can't breathe, it's so hot, at least for me.
Definitely have to wear shoes.
Scientists studying these extreme heat waves say they're made more likely and more intense by human-induced climate change.
Climate change is real. Our temperatures have warmed here, especially summer nighttime temperatures. And so that has just kind of raised the baseline and made this heat event that much more severe.
It's forecast this prolonged, dangerous and historic heat wave will persist through this week. Back in British Columbia, if you go down to the pool today, you're sure of a big surprise. As meteorologists warn, these weather events are likely to become more and more frequent, if you can bear it. Mark Lobel, BBC News.
A reminder of our top story this hour. The United States and Canada have both warned their citizens of dangerous heat levels as Western North America faces an unprecedented heat wave. Schools and universities in British Columbia were closed on Monday after the province broke the national temperature record over the weekend.
But we're looking at today.
Yeah, where is this?
Is that Toronto?
We're looking at Canada, yes.
Yes.
So, and the reason we are is because there's been some exceptional heat in parts of Canada and also parts of North America. If I show you the temperatures yesterday and the forecast temperatures for today, in Lytton in British Columbia, 48 Celsius, that's 118 Fahrenheit. And just look at the temperatures yesterday and the forecast temperatures for today. There's some heat. Now, for some places, the temperature's starting to slip, but for many, we haven't finished with it just yet. And of course, this exacerbates the risk of fire. And the other thing too is that for some, it's just so uncomfortable. Some of this is actually quite dangerous heat.